Identify and explain the concept from the given illustration. Salma purchased sweater for her father in winter season. Concept: time utility. Explanation: when the utility of commodity increases with a change in its time of utilization, it is called as time utility. Time utility is also created by sorting a goods and making it available during the time of need or scarcity. Hence, this illustration relates to the concept of time utility. In this illustration, Salma purchased sweater for her father at the time when he was needed, that is, in winter season. Nilesh purchased ornament for her sister. There are two concepts over here. First one is value in exchange and another one is possession utility. The law of DMU, that is diminishing marginal utility, explains paradox of values by showing a difference between value in use and value in exchange. Some commodity have high value in use and some commodity have high value in exchange. Hence, this illustration relates to the concept of value in exchange. In this illustration, Nilesh purchased ornament for her sister which have value in exchange but no value in use. Possession utility arises when the ownership of a goods is transferred from one person to another. Hence, this illustration relates to the concept of possession utility where ownership of ornament is transferred from shop owner to Nilesh or his sister. Kavita consumed 5 units of oranges, one after the another. Concept: continuity. Explanation: continuity is an assumption to the law of DMU, that is diminishing marginal utility, where it is assumed that different units of commodity are consumed in quick succession without any gap of time. Hence, this illustration refers to the concept of continuity because Kavita consumed 5 units of oranges one after the another. Bhushan refused to eat the fifth chapati after eating 4 chapatis. Concept of point of satiety. Explanation: the point of satiety refers to the point when TU, that is total utility, is maximum and MU, marginal utility, is 0. After this point, any additional unit consumed could lead to disutility or negative marginal utility. Therefore, this illustration relates to the concept of point of satiety as a Bhushan has reached that point with 4 chapatis and he is refusing to eat fifth chapati because it could result in disutility. Lalita satisfied her want of writing an essay by using pen and notebook. Concept: utility. Explanation: utility refers to the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. The pen and the notebook used by Lalita satisfy her want of writing an essay. Hence, this illustration relates to the concept of utility.